Hey everyone, AMHCosplays here, and I am at the AMC Lincoln for the premiere of Star Trek Discovery Season 5. You can see all the Discovery stuff behind me. I just wrapped up my pre-premiere interview. Asked some really interesting questions, like if I were to pick 2 Star Trek characters to be on my relay team, who would I pick? And of course, I said Saru and Sulu because martial arts and big long legs. Or if I went to a Star Trek library, what character would I want to look at? And I, of course, said Roxana because, heck, she's really steamy and fun. Going back, getting into my seat because premiere's about to start.